happening, guys? It's Monday. It's looking good. So far, fingers crossed. I don't even have my lucky coffee cup, but it's looking good. Okay? Woke up this morning looking at the stock, Ttoo Biosystems. I don't know what's happening. There's one subscriber said there's rumors out there that they got approved sometime last Friday for their sepsis testing. Okay, they got approved by the FDA. That's what I heard. Okay, I haven't double checked. I did some kind of research, but I'm getting mixed answers, right? So I don't know how true it is yet. I'm waiting on my stock show to come on because they have access to a lot of information. So once they come on the air, I'm going to be listening really good to them because they can dig and they can find stuff, and I will know for sure what the answer is. Okay, because I know for a fact they're going to bring it up because TTOO is up. It's almost at 40. It came very close to 40 this morning if it didn't hit it. You remember last week, I was down. Like, I was way down. I was like negative 300, almost $400 in the red. And I clearly said, I am not worried about it. I am not going to sell my shares. I'm not worried about it. Now, I did sell some shares to get into another penny stock because I felt like it was starting to be volatile again and it's starting to make these big swings, and I wanted to make some extra cash on that. And I only sold a little bit of shares. Okay, I took about $100 out of TTOO to invest into the other stock. But let's look at it. Like, it's making some moves. It's like it's trying to take off. So if they did get approval for this is going to, for me personally, I'm not telling you to go buy or sell. For me personally, I feel like this is going to be a really big deal. Okay, and if it is a big deal, then they're going to very easily, I think, can come out of this penny stock situation they're in, and they'll be way back above $1. Okay, so the last time we were up at 37. Let's go back. I'm gonna try to go back. We was over here 35, 36 over here, and then somewhere over here we was at, I'm just going to say 38. Somewhere that was like August 24th. We did have a peak over here at 50, 59, possibly 60 at one point. That was a month ago. And then August 18th, we did hit 59, almost 60. So that's going to be a key spot. Okay, if this starts to run, just keep in mind that's going to be a key spot. Okay, so the closer we approach these right here, this 47, and then 56, and then 59, that's going to be a key spot for most people. They're going to be trying to take profits at that point because they know that was a previous high. Okay, but the news, if this news is true, I think the news is going to override those prices, and it's just going to keep going up. But we will see. I could be wrong, but we will see. And hopefully this news is correct. I'm going to be listening closely to some stock people and see what's what. If you guys have any information that's reliable, put it down in the comments so everyone that's in our community will know what's going on, because a lot of people don't have access, or a lot of people don't go and search everything because they're doing other things, like they're working a 9 to 5 and they can't just constantly look at the stock market. So everyone help each other out, because we're all in this together to try to make money, to try to make some kind of money. Okay, it may not be life-changing money, but to make a little bit of extra money to pay a bill, to pay a car payment, to pay a house payment, or whatever. Okay, but we're gonna keep our eye on it. Let's go down and see what these other stocks is doing. Everyone was on this ARM stock right here, and it pulled back just like I thought it was. That's why I said I was not going to buy in, because there's always a pullback on these IPOs. Okay, 51 was the opening price. Well, the asking price for the IPO was 51, and then it opened up at 59. And remember, I said it will probably open around 57, 58, and that's exactly what it did. But it's down now. Okay, it's down back to the pretty much opening price. I'm not doing anything with this stock. Do they even have the option chain up? Yeah, the option chain is up. I'm just want to look at it real quick. I want to look at the first one. 58, 60 call, break even. So it's there, but I don't see any numbers yet. Okay. So 50, 60. Okay. So we're going to, I'm going to keep an eye on that, because I may buy some options, depend. Marlin is doing really good. Marlin is doing really good. And I wish I would have kept my Marlin now, because it looks like they're really trying to do some things. So I may buy back into Marlin, because if they could possibly be what they say, like the next Tesla, and they get their act together, then it could be promising. So I don't know, but they're doing pretty good right now. And that's good to know. It's good to see that, because a lot of people were very disappointed with them. AMC, I'm not worried about that. Let's go down to, I want to see the SPY, okay? Because I want to see what it's doing. Okay, so SPY is down 0.08. Q is down, of course, 24%, and this is down 70%, 68%. And it looks like it's trying to push back up. So hopefully that runs back up. If that runs and the whole market starts to run, you can almost guarantee that everything else is probably going to follow like it should, okay? And that will help this out, okay? That will help this out. But we will see. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's not jump the gun, because we don't know what's going to happen until we get some good news, okay? Like I said, I'm keeping a strong eye on this. I need to show you guys, because I said I was going to be transparent, right? So I'm down from my 6,000 shares, because I told you I sold some shares. This is where I sold some shares, and I got into, where's it at? Let's go up here. I sold some shares, and I got into eBets, because I felt like eBet is starting to make those wild swings again. So I wanted to make some extra cash on there. So I dumped $150 in it. Well, I put 100 in. I already had $50 already in there. So I'm trying to swing trade this. When it goes up to a price that I wanted, I'm just going to scalp it. Okay. And then I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put it back into here. Okay. So I'm using the house money to make more money. Let's see. So it's down right now. It's very volatile, because it was down a lot earlier. And I think that's it. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, guys. I have to go. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Put some information in the comments so everyone can, stay caught up. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.